So how to fix Facebook Messenger something went wrong. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue easily and fast. Open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds. Scroll until you find the messenger. Click on messenger like this. Now this is the app informations page, as you can see. All what you want to do here is first stop the app, so the app is gonna be stopped, and then go to the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Go back again. Click here on the data usage option. Make sure that all these options are enabled and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.